Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, please make sure you hit that subscribe button. Okay, so in this video we are going to be achieving this beautiful, elegant rubber band updo. Okay, so without further ado, we're just gonna get right into the video.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel...
Alright guys, so I'm starting out on hair that is freshly washed, moisturized, and all that good stuff. So I split my hair into 4 parts. As you can see, I have 3 sections in front and then I have 1 at the back. Okay, so I'm starting by taking care of one side. Okay, so I'm just doing rubber band, easy peasy lemon squeezy. So this is what I'm gonna be using, Shining Jam, and it's the yellow bottle. And I'm just gonna put that on my scalp because I'm trying to do a clean line because it's an updo and the line has to be nice and crisp, not because it's an updo, but it's elegant. You want it to be neat, and it's gonna be in front. We're gonna see it, and that's the style, so it has to look like the style. So I'm just making sure that my lines are as nice as I can get them. Okay, and I'm going to use rubber bands like I said. So when you do the rubber band, you just want to make sure that it's not too tight, guys. I always say this, make sure it's not too tight. You don't want no goddamn headache trying to be cute. But if you have the right jam or gel, it shouldn't be a problem because the gel is gonna be what will make it sleek, but not the tightness of your rubber bands. You know what I mean? Anyway, so we're gonna go to the next. So I have sorry, it blurred over here, but I have 3 parts here, 1, 2, 3, if you know what I mean. And then I'm gonna go ahead and start braiding. So this style was inspired by a style that I saw on Pinterest a long time ago. I've saved it maybe 4 years ago, I don't remember. So she braided it up, so that's what I'm doing. As you can see, I'll link the picture somewhere in the description box. Okay, then I'm connecting it to the next like so, and then I'll braid it instead of twisting. But at the end, I was like, I should have just twisted this. It's making not a big difference because, my hair is not straight and it's thick and it's natural. So, you know what I mean? Anyway, I'm making sure that I put jam on my hair. That way, it gets nice and, it looks nicer. It's not looking rough. I'm just kidding, not rough, but nappy, which is not a bad thing. But for this hairstyle, we don't want it to look like that. You know what I'm saying? So that's what it looks like. Okay, and I'm gonna do the same on the other side. Bang, done. Okay, so on top here, the style that I saw, she had just zigzag at the top. So she just split it 3 parts this side, 3 parts the other side, and just zigzag. But I realized my hair is just too thick and it's not blown out. So I feel like it's not gonna be as sleek no matter how much gel I put, and especially because I'm braiding, not twisting. I don't know, it's just gonna look thick. So I decided to split it like so. So one side will have the zigzag and the other side will also have the zigzag, if that makes sense, but you guys will see. All right, so I'm just putting jam. That's the only product I used in this video, guys, just jam and rubber band, and I'll do just like what I did on the other side, but here we're trying to do zigzag, braid it up zigzag. Okay, so it's a braid instead of a twist. Okay, we'll do the same like so. See, it's 3 of them, and then I'm gonna do the same on that other side as well, 3. Okay, like so, and we're gonna do the other 2. All right, so there they are. Okay, so it's 3 on both sides, and then I'm gonna put the other hair away and braid this one 3 parts, 3 equal parts. Put jam all over it, and not all over it, but you know, the part that you're braiding, because I'm not braiding it all the way. Put jam, braid it like so, and then I'm gonna braid the next one. And then I'll just do a zigzag. Here I was just trying to see how it's gonna work. See, I was like, okay, it's gonna work. And you know, attach that with a rubber band. And attach the other one with a rubber band as well. All right, and then see, it's a zigzag, so we'll braid it again. Okay, just enough, but don't forget your jam, and then it's gonna attach to the next. So as you can see, I'm adding more hair, so the braid ends up like getting thicker, you know what I'm saying? So could you imagine if I just had this whole one part like that? It just wasn't gonna work. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna braid that as well and attach it to that. See, the rubber band, that's done. So I'm gonna do the next one on the other side, same thing, bam. Okay, that's it. Okay, so I'm gonna use my jam again, and I didn't put a lot of jam. You guys are gonna see at the end, because the back is not as slick, because I thought that the braid was gonna cover the whole back. That's the idea that I had in mind, but anyways, it didn't work out. I don't want to say it didn't work out, because it looked really cute, and when I was doing it, I was like, no, it doesn't look good covering the whole back, basically. So I moved it up a little bit. I didn't use as much hair. Anyway, so I'm just tying the hair. Let me stop rambling. I'm tying the hair, doing a little braid, you know, silk scarf, duh. And I had this for hours hours and hours and hours. Okay, but I was running errands, I was doing a bunch of things, work and all that, so yeah, was gone. And then I'm back, okay, with my makeup and stuff, and yay, look at how my makeup looks. I loved it so much. It was like pink, okay, matching my nails or whatever. So I'm gonna take out the scarf, and look at how beautiful my hair looks, guys. Like, the hair is laid, it's sleek, it looks so nice, okay? Like, girl. Anyways, so we're gonna attach the hair. This is the hair that I'm gonna attach. I'll put all the info about the hair in the description box, but it's the one that's 3X. I think it's Expression, and I attached just 2. Okay, so first is this one, and I attached the hair, and then I was twisting it, and then I was gonna wrap it around my little bun over there, you know, and I did that, and then I grabbed the next hair and realized that it's not gonna work for me to do it this way. Okay, you guys will see. Like, I was like, no, it's not gonna work, because I put this and then I put the other one, and then when you're trying to like manipulate the band, it just wasn't working right. So I was like, this is not gonna work. So I was like, okay, it's not gonna work for me to do it this way. So I then just twisted the whole hair, took the hair down, twisted each one of them separately, used the rubber band to tie the ends. Okay, so that's the hair, that's how it's looking. So we're gonna take one first, wrap it around like so, and then in front I'm gonna use a bobby pin to secure that. Okay, and then I'll take the next one, which will come on top like that, you see, So I'm gonna secure that at the back, and then I'll take scissors and, like, you know, cut all the flyaways. And I didn't show, but I did use bobby pins just to further secure the hair, and, like, you know, play with the band a little bit to, you know, make it fit my head, you know, just freestyle over here. Okay, that's what I did, and this is the finished look, guys. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. This is like an updo, so cute. It reminds me of about the Rubberband updo that I did, like, I don't know, 5 years ago or something. But this is just a little different because it has a zigzag, but it's so cute. This is really one of my favorite styles. Updos, I feel like, just look good on me. Okay, snatches my face up and looks good. Alright guys, so this is it for this video. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Comment below, let me know what you think about this hairstyle. Okay, it's so cute. All right, subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.